Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you are like me and you love camping but are maybe wanting to get away from tent camping, then you really should try this YEPLINS SUV air mattress. The things that I really liked about it was how easy it was to inflate it. I loved that it had the option for a single person or two people to sleep on it. It has the 60 and the 40% chambers that you can air up. You can still have parts of the seats up if you're just one person, or if you're like me and my husband, we had both seats down. It completely inflated. It works so well for any type of SUV. We have a RAV4, so it's a little on the small side. It was great because it has the side chambers. It has a piece that you can inflate that actually fits into the back part of the seat where the seats go down, so you can avoid having that empty space. It came with these 14-inch pillows, and everything is covered with this nice fabric that really stops air in the air mattress or in the pillow gets cold for that to transfer to the person that is sleeping on it. It worked perfectly for me and my husband. My husband is 5'11" and he had no issues. He felt very comfortable, had enough room. It was long enough for him. How easy it was to inflate and deflate, because sometimes when you're arriving to a campsite, it is dark, it's hard to set up a tent and all the other equipment, so it's nice just be able to blow it up and then to just jump in and have a good night's sleep. If you're going in for a quick in, quick out, it is an absolute must. I love it. And that's my point of view.